stay. Really open, right? Can't really take it now. Can't take it now. I don't really wanna go. I just really wanna stay. We can just stay and smoking all day. We'll keep them lining up cause we don't play. Later show we take a drive and watch you. I love the way you're looking beauty. I'm just really hoping, praying. Really hoping, praying that you stay. Really, really turning to my baby. Turn around, I know your mom's the one that bake it. Yeah. And we'll be caking.
You're right there, mate. What's going
good,
on?
bro, you?
Yeah, I'm good, man. How's it going? Everything good?
Not too bad, man. Not too bad.
So, what do we have here today?
Here we have my 2016 John Cooper Wax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
Racing green.
Yeah.
Chili red roof mirrors. Black stripes, JCW stripes.
Okay.
It's got the cut spoke alloy wheels.
Yep.
Which I like a lot because they sit with the car nice.
Yeah. What sort of mods have you done to the car?
So I've changed the scoop to a carbon scoop.
Okay.
I've got a forged intake on it, NGK Iridium R spark plugs. It has the JCW Pro exhaust on it.
Yep.
It's got a button that opens a flap, basically makes it a straight through.
Okay.
Not allowed to use it on road. So
Not using it today. Yeah.
JCW Pro splitters,
Yep.
front and back. I've got the hockey sticks on the spoiler as well.
Okay.
You'll see that soon. I want to get the rear diffuser. That'll come soon.
Okay. What's your plans with the car? What do you plan to do with it? Future plans?
I want to get a forge intercooler. That's my next step, and then it'll be going up north to DervTech.
Okay.
They're known for mapping JCWs, and they get really good power.
Yeah.
I'm aiming at about 320 brake. It's an automatic gearbox, so I can't push too much through it.
Okay.
So yeah, 320 is still enough. Yeah, that's my future plans for it.
Awesome, man. Well, enough talking. Let's get out of it. Yeah, let's get in it. Yeah. Awesome, man. Cool.
Yo guys, what's happening? We're in the Mini Cooper. Let's send it. You've created a weapon, an actual weapon. This is ridiculous, man.
I'd like to hope so, bro.
So nicely, man.
It's the automatic gearbox, bro. Honestly, there's like no delay in it.
So these are double clutch, right? Are they double clutch?
The new one is double clutch.
Yeah.
This is some sort of a double clutch system, so it makes the farty sounds that your Volkswagens DSGs would.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is only the 6-speed, so the new one has the 8-speed.
Yep. Okay. Why Mini Cooper?
Mate, my first car was a Volkswagen Up.
Okay.
And I thought I'd be Volkswagen through and through.
All right.
But my second car was a Mini Paceman. It was only a 1.6 diesel.
Okay.
But I don't know, I got the bug for the Mini, man. I wanted something different, you know. I didn't want what everyone's got. So
well, you definitely got something that's insane, and I've never even heard of a Mini sound like this, or a car alone sound like this.
No, thank you, bro.
Right. So what's your wheel setup? Is it still stock brakes, or is it?
It's got the standard brakes, but they're JCW brakes, so they're huge. Yeah. I think they're 325 mil. Don't quote me on that.
All right. Yeah.
But yeah, they're big brakes, so they can handle the power.
Okay. And then in terms of tires, what tires are you running?
Right now, this has Pirelli tires on it.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm waiting for them to wear down, and then I'll get Michelin PS4s on it. Sorry, bro.
Nah, man. Keep.
I want to get lighter wheels for the track.
Okay. Yeah. So that's your plan. Your plan's to take it on track.
Yeah, I still want it as my everyday car,
Yeah.
but I also want to track day.
Okay. What's ownership of like a Mini? What's your mileage? How often at a gas station?
To be fair,
Yeah.
when I'm not driving it like a tit,
Yeah.
this car's really good on fuel.
Okay.
Like I could probably get about 56 miles to the gallon.
Okay.
So it's not bad.
Yeah,
not
that's,
bad.
that's
2 litre
actually
turbo. it's
really
not bad.
good. Yeah, that's actually really good.
When I am giving it some 8, maybe.
Okay, I mean 8 is bad, but it's not the worst. It's a BMW. It's tuned by BMW. It's created by BMW. Is the engine? The engine is actually we were talking about. I think we talked about it ages ago. It's a B48, right?
Yeah, B48.
Yeah. So it's actually a 2-cylinder. It's a 4-cylinder version.
Yeah.
Of the B58, which is in the new Supra or the M140i.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
it's only a 2 litre, not 3
Yeah,
litre.
yeah.
So yeah.
Okay.
But it handles power, you know what I mean? Like really does handle power.
Do you know what? It's kind of talky.
The Pro exhaust on it, you know, I'm so glad Mini had this as an option.
And this is an option that you can get put
Yeah.
on the Mini Cooper.
They did a not standard, they did a special edition called a Challenge 210.
Okay.
Came with the exhaust as standard,
Yeah.
and it's amazing. I'm so glad I got a JCW with it on it.
So what sort of power figures are you running?
Probably right now, it's probably about 250, 260 brake.
But you don't like this is enough for a car that's
I don't know, bro.
No, obviously everyone wants more. Everyone wants more power. This is a good amount of power for how much the car weighs. And this is a Mini Cooper. Let's not forget that. That's true. And you're running 250. But what power gains? Obviously after the remap and everything that you're wanting to plan, what sort of figures are you going to see?
Well, I'm taking it up north,
Yeah.
and these engines, like you said, they're good. They're strong.
Yeah.
320 brake.
Okay. Yeah. Is that going to include? So obviously you were saying you're going to get a bigger intercooler. Are you going to upgrade the turbo at all, or are you going to keep it the same?
Well, for now I want to leave it, you know, as close as I can. So for that sort of power, 320 brake and about 315 pounds per foot of torque.
Okay.
Because I don't want to blow my gearbox up and limit the torque. You know what I mean,
Of course, man. Of course.
But yeah, no. A decat's required, which I've got.
Yeah.
Exhaust is required, which I've got. I've got the Pro exhaust.
Yeah.
Spark plugs as well.
Yeah.
I've got NGK Iridiums in this.
Okay. Roughly all that together, you're roughly pushing around 320. Is that wheel horsepower or is that just at the fly?
I think it's on the wheels.
Okay. Wow. At the wheels, that would be insane.
Yeah, I don't quote me on that, man. I'd have to see when it's dynoed. You know, you'll see.
Next year, guys, we're gonna get a re-review of this, and we're gonna see what he does.
It'll be back.
Yeah,
it'll be back.
We'll see what he does with this car, but yeah, I'm just shocked for words, man. This car is unreal.
That is the thing. People are surprised about this because they see a Mini, they think, oh, the guy's a hairdresser. But
yeah, there's some sort of.
This thing's mean.
Yeah.
Like it's angry power.
But
guys.
do you know what? This don't sound like a hairdresser's car. It don't sound like a hairdresser's car. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there's no delay with this.
Nah, man. I didn't even press the pedals. It just.
Oh yeah, in drive mode, it'll change gear for you.
And it's so nimble.
Yeah.
Like when you're sending it, it's swerving. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Like, it revs up higher, you know.
Oh my word, you have made a weapon, mate.
It's dirty, man. It's dirty.
Oh, that is mental.
It's angry power, isn't it, bro?
That's the perfect way to describe this. It's angry.
It just burbles.
Oh my.
You know what I mean? It's angry. It just wants to go for it, bro.
Oh my word.
Hey, bro.
Your brakes are so good, man.
Oh yeah, there's no brake trouble with this.
Yeah, they're so. Oh my goodness. Oh man, this is a weapon. More stable. This car, I feel like I could just chuck it.
I know, 100%.
Yeah, and like, and he would spin wheels. You know, his wheels were spinning in like a third gear.
Yeah.
This car is just planted, man.
Oh no, it just handles the power so well,
it's just
bro.
planted.
Honestly.
Like
There's no delay. Bro. No delay.
I've actually got to just go through that tunnel again. Just how ridiculous that was. This car moves differently, guys. This car moves differently. think that's it, man. I think I'm done. I'm done, man.
I love
Honestly, I'm done. I'm never like. Oh, if I could have my car sound like this, I would. If I could have this as a daily, I would. This is an ultimate daily driver.
That's
oh yeah. Oh my god.
It's so fun, man.
Oh my goodness.
It's different being a passenger and driving it.
Yeah, man. Like when I just feel the pops are at my disposal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I've got, guys. I'm actually just I'm just astounded at what I've just driven. Yeah, any social media or anything you want to plug, I'll have it all in, pops up and up.
Yeah, I've got my Instagram. It's my number plate L6KUE.
Okay.
So chuck us a follow.
Definitely follow this car's journey, guys. And he's such a sound guy as well, man.
Thank you.
Literally, just show him some love. That's all I can say. That's all I can say, man.
No, thank you.
Yeah, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe, because I've got some mad things. Even like this is up there. This is up there. This is one of the best cars I've ever driven, hands down, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you, honestly.
And I've also got some crazy cars coming, so keep tuned into my channel, and I'll see you guys later.
I just really wanna